Let us go with our new topic, matrices. From matrices, we will get maximum 3 marks for 3 questions. Okay? Let us go with our problems. The first one, if I equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, B equals to 0, 1, minus 1, 0, and C equals to cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, then C equals to what? The options are first one, I cos theta plus B sin theta, I sin theta plus B cos theta, I cos theta minus B sin theta minus I cos theta plus B sin theta. I sin theta, I cos theta, I sin theta, B sin theta, B cos theta are common, but signs are different. Okay, so that's why let us do by taking C, then C equals to here, C equals to what? C equals to given cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, 2 by 2 matrix, and also given I equals to we know already, that is the identity matrix 1 0 0 1, B equals to 0 1 minus 1 0. Think how to get I cos theta and B sin theta. Not only I cos theta, B sin theta, I sin theta, B cos theta. Signs are different. Okay. Now let us go with our problem. See, now shall I write like this? Suppose C equals to, how to get 1 0 0 1? Think how to get, suppose I cos theta is here. Yes or no? Shall I write like this? C equals to, write once, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1 means, suppose we need I cos theta, there cos theta 0 and 0 cos theta. Write once, after that we will check. Okay, and plus, it is nothing but, suppose cos theta is common, there 1 0 0 1 is remaining. Yes or no? So definitely that is I cos theta. Maybe that one only, not only sin theta or cos theta. Yes or no? Okay, let cos theta 0 0 cos theta is here. Okay, and here cos theta, we need sin theta. Yes or no? And also we need here minus sin theta. Okay, that's why I am writing like this, 0 sin theta, okay, and here minus sin theta and cos theta, sorry, 0. Okay, write once. Now it is a cos theta plus 0 cos theta, 0 plus sin theta is a sin theta, minus sin theta plus 0 minus sin theta is a minus sin theta, cos theta plus 0 is a cos theta. Okay, now suppose cos theta is a common from there, so it is a 1 0 0 1 is on. Okay, 1 0 0 1. Now here also sin theta is a common, there 0 1 minus 1 0. Exactly, we got cos theta into, it is nothing but I. Yes sir. Okay, now here it is nothing but B sin theta. Okay, now this is nothing but our first choice. Okay, first one. Let us go with second one. Here given problem is, if A equals to 1 minus 2 4 5 and f of t equals to t square minus 3t plus 7. Okay, one expression is given, then f of A plus, now one matrix 2 by 2 matrix is 3 6 minus 12 minus 9 equals to what? Okay, simply first of all we can find f of A. Let f of A equals to, clearly we have f of t equals to this one. Okay, then write in the place of t equals to what? A square minus 3a plus 7. Okay, now first of all we need what? A square equals to, A square equals to 1 minus 2 4 5 into 1 minus 2 4 5. Okay, let row into column. Yes or no? The row in first matrix into the first column into in second matrix. Then 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Okay, then it should be 1 into, again with second column 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Okay, it's over. Next with the second row in first column and second column. Okay, 4 into 1 4 plus 5 into 4 is a 20, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 5 into 5 is a plus 25. Okay, now this is nothing but minus 7 minus 12 and 24 minus 25 minus 8 is a 17. Okay, this is a square and we need minus 3a. Now 3a equals what? 3 into, yes or no? 3 into 1 minus 2 4 5. Okay, 3 into 1 3 minus 6 12 and it is a 15. Okay, now these are in matrix form. Then what about 7? Now here this 7 is nothing but 7i, remember, because of it is only expression in t, function in t. Now it is a function in matrix, so that's why constant, not only constant, it is a constant I. Okay, 7i. So that's why then 7i equals to, we know 7i equals to 7 into identity matrix, then that equals to 7007. Yes or no? Now we can finding a square minus 3a plus 7i equals to, now adding all, a square, the first element of a square is a 1, okay, minus 3a. Okay, now we can adding all, a square, now it is a minus 3a. Okay, now here signs are opposite because of it is a minus 3a, now it is a 7i. Okay, now we can adding all, okay, minus 7, sorry, here minus 7 and here minus 3, now here plus 7, and also this one, my second one, minus 12 plus 6 and plus 0. Okay, then 24 minus 12 plus 0, now here 17 minus 15 plus 7. Okay, I think you should understand. Now a square, it is a minus 3a and it is a plus 7i. Okay, that is a nothing but f of a. Okay, then that equals to minus 7 plus 7 get cancelled and it is a minus 6, it is a minus 3, minus 3, it is a minus 6, it is a 12 and 17 minus, it is a 2 plus 7 9. Okay, now observe here 3 6 minus 12 minus 9, it is here minus 3 minus 6 plus 12 9. Okay, just these are opposite, yes or no? Then that equals, suppose minus 1 is a common, then it should be 3 6 minus 12 minus 9, yes or no? Okay, now 3 6 minus 12 plus 3 6 minus 12 minus 9, these are cancelled to each other. Now it is nothing but 0. Okay, now 0 matrix. 0 matrix is nothing but 0 0 0 0. Okay, na? O, that is a 0 matrix. Okay, let us go with more problems. The problem is, if A equals to 0 1 0 1, the matrix 0 1 0 1, then A power 5 equals to, what about in this? Okay, that is a I or identity matrix, 0 matrix, then matrix again the same matrix itself. Okay, A or A square. And also, so first of all we can doing this one. Here let us do first A square. A square equals to 0 1 0 1 into 0 1 0 1. Okay, clearly we have row into column, yes or no? Row into columns, row into columns. Okay, now here 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 is a 0, then 0 into 1 is a 0, 1 into 1 is a 1. Okay, and with the second row 0 into 0 is a 0, 1 into 0 is a 0, 0 into 1 is a 0 plus 1 into 1 is a 1, then that equals to 0 1 0 1. Okay, now definitely it should be A. Okay, clearly we have A square equals to A. Here we have a square equals to a. Okay, then a square, a power 4 equals what? A square into a square. Shall I write like this? Definitely. It should be a square into a square. Then a into a. Again it is the a square. Then that equals to a. Yes or no? Okay. So a power 4 also be. A power 4 also be a. Yes. Then what about a power 5? Definitely it should be a power 4 into a, then a into, so a power 4 is the a, already we have, into a, it is nothing but a square equals also again a. Okay, now the option is third one. Maybe also a square also be option, one of the option, yes or no? Okay, let us go with fourth one. If trace of a equals to 6, okay, then trace of 4a equals to what? We know. What about trace? Suppose example a equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a square matrix. Okay, the trace from, we will get the trace from only the square matrix, from the square matrix. Now trace is nothing but the sum of principal diagonal elements. It should be principal diagonal elements a11, a22, like this, a33, so on, ann, okay, are called principal diagonal elements. Then trace of a is denoted by tray a, like this. Okay, now the sum of the principal diagonal elements should be called trace of the matrix. Okay, then trace of a equals to given 6. Then what about trace of 4a? Here some properties are applied here. So trace of a equals to, trace of ka equals to, definitely we should write k into trace of a. Okay, trace of ka equals to k into trace of a. K is nothing but any scalar. Okay, and also for this problem, for fifth one, trace of a equals to 3, trace of b equals to 5. Then what about trace of ab? Here also we can apply like this. Trace of ab equals to trace of a into trace of b, and also trace of a plus b equals to trace of a plus trace of b, like this. Okay, then here we can apply those are. Then trace of 4a equals to 4 into trace of a. Okay, then 4 into 6 equals to 24. The option is not a 3 by 2, 2, 12. The option is 24. And fifth one. Okay, here we have clearly trace of a equals to, then trace of a equals to 3 into 5, that equals to 15. The option is first one. Okay, we can doing like these problems by applying these properties. Okay, the problem 6.1 is, if a equals to 0 0 x 0 x 0 x 0 0, then what about a power 100? Okay, the options are here. All are observed. In the place of x equals to, some places are x replaced by x power 100. Just places are different. Places are different. Every matrix has 3 x power 100s. Yes or no? Okay. Let us go with the problem. Suppose the matrix A can be simplified like this. Suppose here x is a common, then it should be 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. Okay, clearly we have like this. Then a square equals what? A into a, clearly that is the x into x, x square. Now 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, into 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. Okay, x square, it is a scalar, that's why x into x, x square. Now leave that. Then what about matrix? 0 0 1 into 0 0 1, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, 0 into 0 0 and 0 into 0 0 and 1 into 1 1. Okay, and again with second column, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0. Okay, and with third one, sorry, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Okay, with second row, 0 0 0, it should be 0. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, then 1. Okay, similarly it is a 0, it is a 0 0 1. Clearly we got what? X square into I. Okay, a square is nothing but x square into I. So x square into I means, what about this? X square into 0 and x square into 0 0, 0 x square 0 0 0 x square. Okay, similarly we will get, suppose a power 4 equals to, it should be x power 4. Yes or no? Because of it is identity matrix. After multiplying two matrix, the same matrix, we got identity matrix. Then after that, identity matrix into identity matrix is the identity matrix. Yes or no? So that's why from here a power 4 from a square we got like this identity matrix, x square 0 0 0, x square 0 0 0 x square. At the same time, similarly a power 4 equals to x power 4 0 0, 0 x power 4 0 0 0 x power 4. Okay, similarly then finally a power 100 equals to what? Like this, x power 100 into identity matrix. So our option is second one. Okay, let us go with the seventh one. The number of 2 by 2 matrices that can be formed by using 1 2 3 4 when repetitions are allowed is. Okay, it is also linked with permutation combination problems. Yes or no? Okay, what are given? 1 2 3, given numbers are 4. Okay, what can be formed? 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. So we need what? 4 places like this. Okay, repetition is allowed. So the first blank can be filled by how many ways? 4 ways. Yes or no? And the second blank also can be filled with 4 ways by these 4. Yes sir, because of repetition is allowed. Okay, let similarly 4 4. Okay, the number of 2 by 2 matrices that can be formed by using 4 digits when repetitions are allowed is what? The 4 blanks can be filled by 4 ways. So n power r means 4 power 4. Okay, then that equals to 2 5 6. Okay, our option is fourth one. Okay, let us do more problems. Now problem number 8 is matrix A is such that A square equals 2A minus I. When I is the identity matrix, we know. Then for n greater or equals to A power n equals to what? In this option, which one is correct? This type of problems can be done by verification method. Okay, so we can substitute here n equals to 2 3 or more. Yes or no? Okay, suppose if n equals 2, we have a square equals what? A square equals to, actually a square equals 2a minus I, remember. Okay, a square equals to, here the first option is n equals to here 2a minus 2 minus 1 is the I. Okay, 2a minus is the correct. Okay, and check one more also. Second one here 2a minus, this one also be one of the options. So n equals to 2 is not correct option. Okay, it's not a correct option. N equals to 3. If n equals to 3, then what about that? A cube. Actually a cube equals to what by the problem? A cube equals to a into a square. Then a square equals 2a minus I. Then a into 2a equals to 2a square minus a into I is the a. Then again a square equals what? 2a minus I minus a. 2 into 2 4a minus 2 into I 2i minus I. 4a minus a equals what? 3a minus 2i. Okay, let us check it. The first option is if n equals to 3, now it is 3a minus 2i. Okay, this is the correct option. And also checking one more option, maybe it is like previous 3a minus I. Now it is not a correct option. Now third one 2 power 3 plus 1, so it is a 16a minus 2i. It is not a correct option. And fourth one 16a minus I. It is not also correct option. So the option is first one. When n equals to 3, it is satisfied the first one. So our option is first one. Now let us go with ninth one, next one. Okay, 3a plus 4b transpose equals to 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31. 2b minus 3a transpose equals to minus 1 18 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7. Then b equals to what? From in this. These type of problems can be done by solving addition by addition or subtraction. For addition or subtraction of matrix, we can taking the same order matrix. But these are not a same order matrix because of it is a order 2 by 3. It is a order 3 by 2. Yes or no? So first of all, we have to equal the orders. So that's why I can taking the transpose of first one. 3a plus 4b whole transpose whole transpose equals to, now transpose of this one 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31 whole transpose. Then what about this 3a? Clearly we have a plus b whole transpose equals to what? A transpose plus b transpose. Yes or no? AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. Remember, reverse. Then A transpose whole transpose equals to A. Yes. Then we can apply here 3A whole transpose, 3A transpose plus 4B transpose whole transpose should be B. Yes or no? Okay. And that equals to 7 0 minus 10 minus 10 6 and 17 30. Okay, now it is a 2b minus 3a transpose equals to minus 1 18 minus 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7. These are in the same order 3 by 2 3 by 2. Okay, let us add or subtraction. How to get b? By adding of both. Okay, now 3a transpose cancel. 4b plus 2b is a 6b. Okay, adding all corresponding elements. 7 minus 1 is a 6. 0 plus 18 is a 18. Minus 10 plus 4 is a minus 6. 6 plus minus 6 is a 0. Okay, 10 minus, it is a minus 6. 17 minus 5 should be 12. 31 minus 7 is a 24. Okay, now here 6 is a common from all. Now here 1, 6 1s are, 6 3s are, minus 1s are, 0s are, 2s are, 4s are. Okay, here 6 get cancelled. Then B equals to, then which option? 1 3 minus 1 0 2 4. 1 3 minus 1 0 2 4. 1 3 minus 1 0 2 4. Okay. Third option is correct option. Okay. Now, if you like my video, please mention in comment box. If you want any doubt, please mention. Okay. Please share and like. Okay. Thank you so much.